A world can tell you that you can't do something, but only when you think you can't do something, you cannot do it.
हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मर्चेंट नेवी रिकॉर्डेड। मेरे साथ हैं रेशमा नीलोफर मैम। मैम वेलकम टू
Hi.
माय चैनल। हाउ आर यू डूइंग मैम?
I'm fine. How are you?
आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट। जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है, वैसे मैं बता दूं, रेशमा नीलोफर मैम पूरे हिंदुस्तान की एकमात्र इंडियन मैरीटाइम पायलट हैं। और प्लीज़ जब भी कोई वर्ल्ड पायलट ले तो ये मत सोचना कि किस एयरलाइन में काम करती हैं, क्योंकि मैम पानी के जहाज़ की पायलट हैं। वो कैसे हैं, क्या है, पता चलेगा। मैम को नारी शक्ति पुरस्कार मिल चुका है खुद प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया से। जो मैम अचीव कर चुकी हैं, वो शायद मेरी ज़िंदगी का एक ख्वाब हो सकता है जो कि मैं पूरा करना चाहूँगा। एंड आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट।
Thank you.
सो आज की जो जर्नी है, इसके अंदर रेशमा नीलोफर मैम की लाइफ के बारे में जानेंगे। कामयाबी तो जानेंगे, लेकिन कि 3 ज़िंदगी के जो बड़े फेलियर्स हैं उसके बारे में भी खुल के बात करेंगे। सो लेट अस सी ये वीडियो कैसा निकल गया था। एंड प्लीज़ गाइस, ये थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है पीछे नॉइज़ रहे, बट दिस वॉज द बेस्ट प्लेस दैट वी कुड हैव फाउंड आउट इन दिस रेस्टोरेंट हियर। एंड लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट। सो मैम प्लीज़, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग।
Thank you. It's my pleasure, and I know what work you are doing, and I'm very proud of what you're doing.
थैंक यू मैम। सो मैम बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट अवे क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। ये आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में पहले चलते हैं, थोड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए अपने बेसिक लाइफ का, अपब्रिंगिंग के बारे में।
So I am from Chennai originally, and my Hindi is not very good, so I will talk in English.
नो वरीज, बिंदास बात
all the time.
कीजिए।
Yeah. So I am born and raised in Chennai, and I was one of the 2 daughters for my parents, and I'm the youngest of the daughters. And after class 12, I still continued studying in Chennai with Amet University, and that was a BE Marine Technology. This was entirely sponsored by Maersk Line, then AP Moller Maersk, and it was a dual competency program, जो अभी चालू नहीं है अभी, और we've stopped with those programs, but I think it was a great program to be in because you did both the curriculum of BSc Nautical Science and BE Marine Technology, and also went on board during college time. Like जैसे अभी होता है कि you finish your entire college time then you go on board, हमारे वैसे नहीं थे। Third semester, that is second year, first semester, I went on board. 6 months वहाँ पे किया, दोनों साइड्स देखे, इंजन रूम क्या होता है, डेक साइड क्या होता है, वॉच कीपिंग क्या होता है, and everything else. And then we came back and continued studies. So that was a great opportunity, and along with the entire sponsorship for the tuition fee, all we had to pay for the entire college time of 5 years was the boarding and lodging only.
वाओ।
हमारे यूनिफॉर्म, जूता से लेके टोपी तक, everything was provided by the Maersk Line, and also it came with the recruitment also promise कि Maersk ships will be you will be placed with Maersk right after the course.
Okay, so that was a great opportunity to have. Joining
Absolutely.
Maersk is a dream company right
अगर
now.
वो नहीं होता ना, वो opportunity नहीं होता, तो शायद I wouldn't have been able to afford a normal maritime college education, because I was from a low middle class family, and it would have been a distant dream for me to be in this fraternity. So thanks to Maersk, I've entered the field, and I came and became a mariner.
So when you, chalo, let's go a bit back. How did you come to know about Merchant Navy, and why did you decided to join Merchant Navy, and how did you convince your parents?
So see, I will thank 2 media portions over here. One is for giving us such dreams. I would thank the movie Titanic, because उस समय का that was a sensational movie, and that gave us a dream of what a ship is and how people are on board and how people are working there also. Other than the passengers, there are people who work there also. This we came to know by that movie. That is all the Merchant Navy knowledge which I had at that time. And then thanks to our print media, which is the national dailies as the newspapers, जहाँ पे the Maersk ad came out. So at one time as a kid, I always wanted to be a doctor. But then as I grew up and crossed, say, class 8 or class 9, I felt that I wanted to do something offbeat, not enter this whole rat race of everybody going into an engineering stream or a doctor stream. So I said medicine and engineering I don't want to do anymore. कुछ अलग करना है, but अलग क्या करना है, that I had no clue about, absolutely no clue. So my parents used to be worrying about क्या ही सोचेगी, क्या किसमें join
क्या
करेंगी,
करेगी, क्या नहीं करेगी जिंदगी में।
And at that time, trust me, internet was not so very popular, एंड कहीं रास्ते में कहीं और कहीं जगह जाना पड़ता था, इंटरनेट कैफे ढूंढ ढूंढ के,
एक कोई छोटा सा कैफे मिलेगा,
हाँ, एक वो पुराना डेस्कटॉप वाला वो मिलेगा, उसमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा. एंड what will you search for? I mean, World Wide Web was there then too, but what will you search for? What is an offbeat career? क्या कर सकते हैं?
कुछ अलग करना है, लेकिन क्या करना है वो नहीं पता.
So when somebody asked me as a kid, I would say I don't know what I'm going to do, but कुछ अलग करना है मेरे को.
जय माता दी.
यही. तो and this newspaper ad came out कि Musk was fully sponsoring an entire batch. 250 people joined in that batch, and I was one of the 5 girls who were in the batch. So when I applied, I had to tell my parents कि I had already joined the physics honors का course also, by the way. BSc Nautical Science with WCC, Women's Christian College in Chennai. I had joined and even gone to the college one day. Then I saw the ad and I said, oh, tomorrow there is an entrance exam.
अब तो यही जाना है.
Yeah, let's prepare. So I prepared little bit overnight only, just overnight preparation, nothing else. So overnight prepare किया, gave the entrance exam. They had LI and PI, as in logical reasoning and psychometry test. And after that there was an interview and then medicals also. So luckily I crossed through all that and I got selected. Now talking to my parents, I told them, just look at this is a great opportunity. And also my mom's friend, one uncle, his son was a second mate at that time. So he was the first one we called कि uncle, you know your son is in the fraternity, can you tell me how your son works, कैसा है, ये है वो है. Because टाइटैनिक से भी हम लोग डरते थे ना कि कुछ तो हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, जहाज डूब सकता है, अरे तब क्या होगा, स्विंग करना है कि फ्लोट करेंगे कि फ्रीज हो जाएंगे, क्या है. तो बिकॉज अनफॉर्चुनेटली जैक डाइड, सो वी डोंट वांट टू डाई. सो आई हैड टू आस्क. सो दैट अंकल टोल्ड मी you should try it because it's an offbeat career just like what you wanted. And this one specifically, my son was not sponsored, but this is a great sponsorship career. So you should choose this because nothing like it. Musk is a great company, you should try. तो वो जैसे गो ग्रीन दे दिए तो मैंने भी अप्लाई कर ली, और then it was no looking back because I suppose the whole giving us the dream that started out in the college. And nobody, thankfully for us, everybody asked us questions कि यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लड़कियाँ है ही नहीं, but just try, maybe it works for you, maybe it does not work for you. थोड़ा सोच के बताना बेटा, ऐसा. So when I was applying and filling up my forms and all that, but my parents told me just one thing, कि you can choose anything you want to do. You choose something, you stick to it. That is the only thing we expect from you.
Don't look back. Don't quit. Don't look back.
Because every single job in this world comes with pros and cons. There is no bed of roses for anybody's career. They told me just one thing, that you have chosen an offbeat career, that's fine. But it's going to come with pros and cons. And you will have to have the conviction to stay there and prove your might over there. So if you really want it, heart of hearts, then go for it. If you don't feel that you can connect with it, don't go for it. But if you feel that you can do it, well and good. This is all your choice. It's your life, your choice.
And sky is the limit, right?
Exactly. I mean, sky is not the limit. वही समझ में आया कि sky is also not the limit. Because now women are preparing to go to the planet Mars. So even sky is not the limit,
Very well said, very well said. So ma'am, you joined a course where you had to go for the deck side and as well as engine side.
Yes.
So you are one of those very few people in this entire country जिन्होंने दोनों देखे हैं, deck side भी अच्छे से देखा है, engine side भी देखा है. So if you would have continued your career in merchant navy, what would have you chosen? The deck side, becoming a second mate, then third mate, then second mate, then captain, or would you have chosen the engine side to become a chief engineer?
So I'll tell you, no offense to the deck people who will be watching this, but मेरे को वो ocean passages में when we are crossing oceans, 4 hours का deck watching, that used to be daunting for me because वो attention, concentration होना चाहिए for the entire 4 hours.
Agreed.
And there's not much to see actually. There's not much traffic in the oceans, but then you need to be still on the dot. You need to be aware of everything that's happening around you on board and outside. So that used to be difficult for me. So I used to think engine section was more interesting for me and more challenging for me because personally, one is physically it is challenging no matter what you say. I mean, regardless of your gender, I'm saying women can do it. But then it is a challenge. It is physically challenging for women to do. That's one thing. And number two is I'm a challenge seeker. So I wanted that challenge. That's one. Number two is that ट्रबल शूटिंग जो इंजन रूम में होता है ना,
वो तो एड्रेनलिन रश
oh,
देता है कि जब कभी
exactly.
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दो.
When you when you're in that situation, you'll feel like, you know, taking a hair off your head. But then when you finish it, the kind of satisfaction it gives you, I think nothing else can, you
मैं
know,
वो दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलता है.
कहीं नहीं
कहीं नहीं
मिलता,
मिलता
and
है.
nothing can match that. You know, that satisfaction which you get, it does not match. But having said that, today as a pilot, I get that same satisfaction. I call it the jobgasm, because you get that sort of a satisfaction which is like above any other great feeling which you felt. Because when I'm
Taking a ship
having
safely.
exactly, when I have a very difficult day at work, when, you know, say monsoon weather hai, wind is blowing, and then you have to berth a ship, and tide is also there now, wind is also there, and everything is working against you. It feels like the nature is giving you as many troubles as possible, and then you have to take the ship no matter what. You are still the person who has the responsibility to take the ship responsibly, and captain is also looking up to your advice. You are the person who has to make or break the day, that situation. So your decisions will make the day for the ship. And when you finally get alongside, and it's a beautiful, you know, feather touch berthing जो बोलते हैं ना, वो हुआ and अंदर गया, position हुआ, engine stop किया.
जोर से बोलो.
Oh my God, Jai Mata Di. Seriously, I'm telling you, that feeling is as, I mean, I would say it's equal or even better than the feeling that an engineer would get after the troubleshooting.
See guys, over here I just want to put across, जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है कि मैम का जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या है, later on in the video we'll know. Today she is a maritime pilot. What does a pilot mean? What are the duties? We'll know that, but slowly and steadily. So ma'am, my next question to you is, so you joined Maersk, you did 5 years over there. Why did you left Merchant Navy and joined this maritime pilot thing? Why?
See, you must be remembering when you were a cadet, when you went on board, whom do you look up to? You look up to the head of your department,
Right.
right? So maybe you looked up to the captain or chief engineer, most likely the chief engineer, and you would have wanted, someday I will become this person. I want to be like this person.
Agreed.
You always keep a role model for yourself.
Always.
So I found the captain to be my role model at that time when I was on deck. And then I saw the captain looks up to the advice of a pilot when they enter the port. So then I started idolizing the pilot themselves. I was like, oh, even my role model looks up to some other role model of his or hers. So then I saw, okay, pilot is, you know, it's on the pinnacle of the maritime jobs. If you frankly think about it, it is on the pinnacle of every maritime job ever.
Okay.
So you are the one person who's going to give your expert advice, expert navigational methods. You are going to tell the master, "Ki, this is how we are going to do this." So that position, I used to idolize that person, and I started having role models. So then I had never seen a woman pilot there. So I always imagined, what if I was there in that situation? I would imagine myself in that position, giving a helm order or, you know, giving the engine command. And I would think, oh, it would be great if I had been there. So I would mentally, I was kept on the bridge for some time for maneuvering and all. When I was a deck cadet. So I used to think, okay, how fun it would be if I was there in that position. So that's what it stayed in my mind that I want to be a pilot at some point in life. So, and then when that thought was already there, I had some trouble with my parents' health issues and all when I was on board. So that made me think about some job which would give me a shore and a ship balanced job, where it's not completely a 9 to 5 job where you are not stepping on board at all. I wanted to do justice to my studies, which I loved doing. I wanted to be on board. I enjoyed being on board. But then certain commitments at home regarding my parents needed me to be ashore
with them as well,
where I could be on a beck and call for my parents. I could be there at home within a few hours. So again, another newspaper advertisement came to my rescue.
Again, newspaper.
Like, yeah, I mean, newspapers have made my life in this world. I think I'm very thankful to the print media for this. So again, I saw at that point in time, my mother was having a spinal fracture. She was at a hospital, and my father and I had just come from a ship, just signed off and came home. I was due for my exams, and I could not give my exams because I was juggling between the hospital and the house. So I thought, at that time I saw this newspaper ad which Kolkata Port Trust has advertised, they were calling for trainee pilots and they were calling for junior officers also. So because not enough masters were joining, they came down on their entry qualifications. They even accepted BSc Nautical Science fresh graduates who have never seen a ship on board. I mean, never been on board before. So I saw, oh, this is a shortcut.
Which was not an opportunity earlier. It just came by.
It just came, and it was like calling me. Okay, I wanted to be a pilot, and then this was calling me. So I found my calling. I said, wow, this is a shortcut. Now I have to, because I don't even have to go through the entire 10 years of sailing, becoming a master, and then becoming a pilot. This I saw as a shortcut. I said, oh, I'm going for this. So I spoke to my parents, applied, and again, they liked my candidature. And I have to thank Port Trust for this. That at that time there was a department director marine department. He told me, Reshma, look, we haven't ever had women who have become pilots in this service. So I'll give you an option. We are interested in your candidature. You've done your interview well. So I'll give you an option. 3 months you try the pilot service. If you are not happy with this, you can go further and move to our other department, which is in the marine department. Survey department is there. If you want, if you're not comfortable here, you can shift. But he gave me three months time to choose. I went back in 1 month and I told him, sir, I'm very comfortable where I am and this is what I came to do. ये करके ही छोड़ना है.
ये करके ही छोड़ना है. Great. So मैम अभी एक थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर काफी सारे बच्चे मरीन पायलट के बारे में they know what it is, but there'll be some very newcomers who would not know about it.
Yeah.
So
like you said, I still get questions about which airline or which aircraft I'm flying.
And that must be
Although I mention
you all the time.
maritime, yeah, I mean I have to explain myself everywhere.
So now let us just come up with this question. What do you mean by a maritime pilot?
Okay, so a maritime pilot is basically attached to a particular port. Each pilot is attached to a particular port, and they are the local navigation and local conditions knowledge expert. So they are advisors to the master. So they will climb the ship by a rope ladder most likely, and they will board the ship at the port limits. So when a ship is in the ocean, the captain, the person in command knows exactly where they have water, what kind of route they have to follow. All that information is available. But a ship is by designed to be on the water, not near the land. So when they come near the land, they have many more difficulties and dangers to navigation. So that navigation dangers, we have the full knowledge of that particular port's specific weather, depth, and also the local conditions, port installations, and most of the time we are also speaking the local language to be a liaison between the ship and the shore personnel, the tugs which will come and assist the ship when they are coming alongside. So all that help, all that advice we bring to the ship. So we are an external addition to the bridge team.
So ma'am, you became a maritime pilot in 2018.
Yeah.
And it's been 4 years now, और अभी तक एक भी और कोई maritime pilot नहीं बनी है. You're the only lady maritime pilot, right?
Unfortunately, yeah, it's, I mean, as flowery as it sounds, it is actually an unfortunate thing that I'm the first and the only woman pilot till now. But
this video will definitely.
Yeah, I'm hoping that this will inspire many more generations of girls maybe to come and join and become a pilot.
अच्छा, what are the challenges of a maritime pilot? जैसे आपकी बात करें, एक ship के challenges we know, challenges of a captain. But every day you come back home.
Yeah.
You have a rest time, and then again you have to go back. And और आपका वो एरिया है, जैसे कहते हैं ना अपनी
डोमेन,
ये आपका डोमेन है, आपको पता उस एरिया के बारे में सब कुछ सालों साल चलाया है, राइट? तो जैसे कहने का मतलब कैप्टन हूँ मैं, तो मुझे कभी न्यूजीलैंड जाना है, कभी मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है, अलग अलग जगह पे जाना है, अलग अलग मिलेंगे, वातावरण मिलेंगे, एवरीथिंग. बट आपको तो कोलकाता और हल्दिया में ही रहना है जिंदगी भर, अगर वैसे देखा जाए तो. आप एक गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हो यहाँ पे, सो ये आपका डोमेन है, आपका एरिया, ये वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तो ये तो आपका एरिया, फिर इसमें क्या चैलेंजेस आप फेस करते हो?
See, there are more challenges here than to a typically to a seafarer, because one is here you have to work with a different nationality, different crew every day.
Agreed.
It's a different ship every day, different crew every day, multilingual crew. Some may understand you, some may not understand you. Some may agree to your advice, some may not agree with your advice. You will have to be assertive. ये leadership quality में आता है. आपको assertive होना है, लेकिन aggressive नहीं होना है. And you have to get your point across, because safety of the port installations and the ship, and therefore the life on board and the cargo all boils down to that one pilot. There is no proxy pilot, or there is no extra pilot who comes with you. You are the only person on board who has gone as an external addition to the bridge team. So now, for women, I'll tell you what the problems are. And now I'm talking about a pilot. I'll tell you later for extra troubles for a woman why they've
Yes,
not
पहले
come
pilot
there.
की बात करते हैं.
पहले pilot की बात करते हैं. So one is this, that you are working with a different set of people.
Every single day.
Yeah, your colleagues are different every day.
Every day.
And which colleague takes it, which colleague cannot understand you, which cannot can't even think about what are you trying to say. All that issues come up. That's one. Number two is I mean, according to me, if you have boarded the ship, 40% of your job is done. 40%. Just getting on board is the biggest difficulty for us, and another 40% when you disembark. So 80% of your job, the strenuous part of your job, is the climbing and the disembarking from the ship. Because
Ship पे
there is a
चढ़ना और
rope
ship को
ladder.
उतरना.
Yeah, because most ports in the world, I mean, not many have a helicopter, the luxury of a helicopter boarding. So rope ladders are still very challenging positions, parts of our job. Most challenging part of the job, in fact, I would say, because the risk which comes with it is far more than any other risk which a normal seafarer would face.
क्योंकि हर दिन
Because-
आपको वो 20 मीटर 15 मीटर रोप पे चढ़ के
That
ऊपर
rope
जाना.
ladder is rigged by a person I have no clue about, whose competency I have no clue about, whether they know how to rig the ladder or not, I have no idea. And when I'm boarding in the night, I can't even check it. I can't even see what is happening on the deck. How they have rigged it, how they've lashed it, nothing. I
So
don't
basically
know
you're risking
how
your
they've
life
made
on
fun.
somebody else's
Else's
competency.
So that is like a leap of faith. A pilot has to leap and jump onto a ladder and climb. The life is hanging by that ladder, of which he or she has no clue about. So that is the most difficult part of the job. And thirdly,
हाँ please.
other difficulty is all of that external factors, like I said. Weather can be harsh one day, can be so easy the other day. So कल पूरा टाइड एकदम बहुत ही मतलब हल्का था,
आराम से
आज
गए
भी हो
ship
जाए,
लगा दिया.
आराम से गया, आज भी चले जाएंगे, ऐसे बढ़िया हो जाएगा, बिंदास. You will go, but you will see the day you underestimate the weather conditions, that day is when you will make a mistake. You can never underestimate nature. Nature's power is way above any man-made machine.
And like in engine room,
So-
problems can come from anywhere. Similarly, out here in nature, it can be
happen
anything.
anytime, anywhere,
Unexpected.
and from any place. It can be an external factor, it can be an internal factor, because end of the day, ships are machinery. Machinery breaks down. होता है.
होता है.
कभी भी हो सकता
कभी हो सकता है. आपने हेड स्टर्न दिया,
आया
इंजन नहीं चल रहा
moment नहीं
है.
आया.
जय माता
So
दी.
then, oh
यहाँ
God,
पे.
touch wood. And you will be in a situation, and your reaction time, even for engineers or a deck officer, you have some reaction time. But when you are closer to the port, when you're berthing a ship, reaction time is, you have to make decisions and communicate the decision to all parties involved within fractions of a second.
ये लोगों को
That
समझना
is a
पड़ेगा कि
difficult.
मर्चेंट नेवी इज नॉट एन इजी प्लेटफॉर्म.
No.
यहाँ पर चीफ इंजीनियर नीचे पूरी टीम में मैन्यूवरिंग कर रहा है वहाँ पर बैठ के. एक कप्तान ऊपर
This
बैठा है.
happens in the
साथ में
airline industry also.
Agreed.
वहाँ भी pilots को immediately instant reaction लेना है. यहाँ पे भी वही. Because fraction of a second. And mind you, there are no drills over here. You have, for your emergency procedures, you have drills. We don't have drills. This is our job, and we are trained to do this only. Emergency maneuvers. There is no drill. You don't do emergency, anchoring and try out. हाँ, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. No.
नहीं, there is
There is
nothing.
no trial.
There is no scope of making mistakes.
Exactly.
Because-
so the fraction of the threshold for error is also zilch, 0. You cannot make a mistake. So you have to have anticipated all that can go wrong, and you must have anticipated what corrective action you should say. So you should have practiced it well ahead, and you should know that this can come. Immediately I'll say this.
Okay,
So this is also a difficult.
great. As a
But for
lady,
women-
अब हाँ लेडी के लिए क्या दिक्कत फेस
For
करते हैं additionally?
women, I'll tell you, for women, one is the physically taxing part. The whole climbing the ladder thing is not easy. I will say, some amount of physical fitness is required, but more than all of this, the mental acumen. where women are good at multitasking. This is a natural trait. Whether, I mean, it's a natural trait that women think about so many things and then they will get everything done. So that actually helps us as a woman, but it also is a problem where if you think about house का, घर का वो है, ये नहीं है, अच्छा ये करना है, I cannot for a fraction of a second think about all those things when I'm at work. It is slightly difficult for women to do. So that is a problem, my dear friends. So you cannot, when you're working, you will have to remove all your gender, vendor, ये वो, मतलब घर का वो, लॉन्च में क्या हुआ, कॉलीग ने क्या कहा, फैमिली में क्या बात हो रही है, इनका क्या बोले हैं, वो का, nothing. At work, you are a pilot on par with any other pilot.
बट ये तो मैम हमारे लिए भी है, अगर कोई एक मेल पायलट भी होगा तो वो भी ये चीजें करता
You
होगा.
cannot react. So men are good at hiding their emotions, right? Here I cannot emote. I
Okay.
cannot emote if I'm angry. I cannot emote if I'm upset. Nothing. None of this can be in my mind when I'm working. That's one.
Okay,
Number
second.
two is the odd timings. Because you are working along with a tidal, in a tidal port or even in a seaport, your work timings are always based on the tide time of that particular port, that area. So when the tide is rising, you will bring in ships. So that can be any time or any hour of the day. So for a typical Indian woman who's doing a societal, what is expected from her in the society, in the house, in the
It does not
family
work, it does not
household,
work.
it does not work. I cannot be a typical, say a typical bahu. I cannot do all the bahu duties. I cannot do all the daughter duties, a sibling duty, a son or a daughter duties when it comes to being in the house.
Because your
A
times
wife
of
or a motherly duties.
because your work timings keep
Work
changing
timing
every day.
It's
Nothing
changing
can be
every
planned.
day. Like tomorrow, I told you when we are meeting now, I can only confirm to you previous evening. Yesterday evening, I told you, okay, we can meet you. I can meet you this time. And before that, I don't even know what time I'll be working. So it's a roster job. So roster jobs happen to have their own difficulties. They come with a difficulty. No matter night or day, you have to climb the same ladder. And in the nights, it is more riskier. So all that is there, extra trouble for a woman. And for mothers, it is an extra, what do you call it, challenge to be able to hustle between the motherly duties, the house and the job.
Are there
Because-
any mother maritime pilots? Not in India, of course, you are the only one, but across the world, do you know anyone?
There are.
There are.
And there are mothers and there are mothers who have been pregnant while on duty. So they worked for, I don't know, entire 3 months, first trimester and well into the second trimester also. There are mothers who've climbed ladders. So they would say, oh gosh, I can't even feel where my feet is, because
So-
they were so full and pregnant and
I
full
got your
term or
point.
whatever. And they couldn't see their feet anymore, but they were still climbing ladders and climbing. And they are mothers today and they're still working. There is a Singaporean pilot. We talk about Western world only, but there is an Asian pilot in Singapore who is a mother to 4. She has 4 girl babies who are toddlers right now, and she has 2 more boys at home. So 6 children. She's a mother to 6 children, and she's still working. So trust me, it is not impossible, but
Challenges are there.
You need a very supportive family to आपके साथ देना है.
ओके सो एक तो ये अपने जो 2-3 चीजें बताई, दो आई अग्री टू देम टू सम एक्सटेंट, बट आई फील एक आदमी के लिए भी दिखते रहती हैं.
Yeah.
बट आई फील एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम जो शायद यू फेस एज अ लेडीज व्हेन एवर यू गो ऑन बोर्ड शिप, डू यू सी कि इफ पीपल डू नॉट नो अरे एक लेडी पायलट आई है, दोस क्वेश्चन मार्क्स कमिंग, डज इट हैपन नाउ और इट हैपेंड अर्लियर और नो इट डज नॉट हैपन
It
एनीवेयर?
still happens. It
द
still
क्वेश्चन मार्क
happens.
सडनली कम्स अप.
Yeah, the
A young
regular,
lady सी फिर शी इज अ मैरीटाइम पायलट,
Yeah.
ये हमें अंदर लेके जाएगी.
young also is a problem because I don't have any grey hair अभी तक. मतलब 2-3 है तो उसको निकाल के मतलब रखना पड़ता है बाहर, ऐसे करके निकालो, so that people really know that okay, I am qualified, I'm experienced enough to do this job. Bhai, don't worry.
Like I have to keep this beard to make sure that people can understand. हाँ
Ah.
ये एक experience.
Because you look very young also. You are so yeah, that is there. That's always a challenge. So both it's not just because I'm a pilot. I'm saying women seafarers in general and women pilots around the world, we all face the same difficulty of acceptance.
And again, as a maritime fraternity का आदमी होने के नाते I have to put across, इसके लिए yes हम लोग जिम्मेदार हैं, but हम यार कॉलेज में रहे तो देयर वाज नो वुमेन, वी जॉइंड अ प्रोफेशन, देयर वाज नो वुमेन. सो यस, एक्सेप्टेंस takes time, and I am talking on behalf of those 90% people, क्योंकि I still feel 10% male people are there, those who are really doing a fabulous job supporting people. और अगर 90% को अभी भी क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं, I feel I am one of them. And उसका बहुत बड़ा रीजन है कि it will take some time.
Let's hope our talk today also will change.
Definitely, and I want to be on their side because हमने चीजें नहीं देखी, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम बदलना नहीं चाहते हैं. भाई हम भी बदलेंगे, बट जैसे जैसे और लोग आते चले जाएंगे, जैसे आप आएंगे, आपके साथ और 5-10 लोग आएंगे, जब हमें भी कॉमन चैलेंज कॉमन लगेगा.
Acceptance is easier when there is a bigger number.
बिगर नंबर, व्हेन सी इट इज कॉमन. यार ये तो दिक्कत है ही नहीं. लाइक जब पहली बार मुझे किसी लड़की से बात करनी थी, मेरे हाथ पैर फूल गए थे. कसम से. आई एम एबल टू मेक दिस वीडियो विद यू ओनली बिकॉज आई कुड मेक वीडियो विद नेरिन एंड रोमिता बुंडेला मैम. अदरवाइज ट्रस्ट मी, ब्रेकिंग द आइस वुड हैव बीन एन बिगर इशू विद यू. यू वुड हैव ट्राइड. आप भी कुछ बोल लो सर, आप भी कुछ बोलो. बोलेंगे मत. कहाँ से बोले, आदत ही नहीं है बोलने की. So this is one thing I want to say now.
But
again,
see, I'll tell you the whole fiasco of, I mean, the whole process of being in a maritime college. And trust me, when we were joining the college, we were the only 5 in the entire college.
yes,
Our senior, there was one girl, and she had already gone on board because second year, na. So she has gone on board, and we have just joined, and 5 of us had joined. Now we were the only 5 in the entire college. So we had so much attention, which we sometimes did not want also. मतलब if you आप रो तो सबको पता चल जाएगा, if you sneeze everybody knows, so everything was more noticed, you know, everybody, all eyes on you,
which people do not want as well.
but we don't want it. But that whole process of getting through college in 4 years, that actually prepares you for life on
Yes,
board,
agreed.
because even on board you are probably the only woman on board. The till date number is such कि when a girl goes on board, most likely 99% of the time she is the only woman on board. Getting another woman on board is a very very rare thing. So but trust me, if you have another woman on board na, it's such a big blessing. I tell you, that's why
No,
we need to
companies,
bring more.
abhi shipping companies are doing that. They are
Yeah.
making sure that every ship has a lady candidate, and even
Correct.
if they can make it 2. So this is
Nothing
a very
like
good
it.
opportunity for girls right now, because companies are vying for getting
Correct.
this gender equality everywhere. So it
Now,
is a good opportunity.
There is also a problem now because many men think that when they recruit, they should recruit everybody equally. Why are they only asking for female
अब
candidates?
देखिए,
No.
सोच तो हर जगह चलती
उसमें
है.
क्या है? You are doing something called a positive action. I would request you and the viewers to go and read about what is positive action. It's not a reservation. Positive action is कोई group underrepresented है, तो उनको लाने के लिए they go an extra step and bring more women here, because it's called gender equity and not equality. That is what I say, that gender equality से भी बढ़ के हम लोगों को gender equity के तरफ जाना है. World is now moving, because now there are so many genders. We have understood now that even genders are not just 2 genders in the world now. Gender
Right.
is a fluid thing. तो अब हम लोगों को LGBTQ++ इन लोगों को भी accommodate करके लाना है. They are also underrepresented. So now with the start of changes will happen like this, कि companies will do positive action, bring more women, and acceptance automatically आती है जब numbers बढ़ते हैं. Because unconscious bias is something which is difficult to address. Conscious bias अपने आप को बोल सकते हैं, you can do courses and this and that to get rid of those biases. But unconscious bias जो होती है ना,
वही सबसे स्टेबल होती है.
I'll tell you now, I'll give you a question. When I talk to you about a dentist, who comes to you in a mind? A boy or
Of course a boy.
a boy? Yes. A director?
A boy.
Yes. A CEO?
A boy.
I'm telling you, even
नहीं,
the
आप
viewers
मुझे-
would have.
हाँ जी.
So this is unconscious bias. Unless and until you see somebody in a boardroom, unless until you see a CEO and
Yeah.
interact with one, unless until you see a pilot who's a woman, only then you will start thinking कि pilot, हाँ, is it a woman or is it? तो वो doubt भी आ सकता. तो उसके लिए भी positive action चाहिए, and उसके लिए more numbers of women should come.
Okay.
And that is why we do this.
चलिए
We recruit
करते
only
रहिए,
women.
और
Yes.
with this video definitely we are slowly learning, and this acceptance will definitely
It will come.
slowly and steadily.
Yes.
But it will come.
But that said, I've also had a lot of male mentors through my life, in my life. And I look up to a lot of men who have been my mentors, my well-wishers. And I have to really thank them, because even, let's say, as a pilot, this piloting is an art. Unless and until a man who has not taught me, they have not taught me
How would
this
you-
art of pilot, I wouldn't have mastered at all. I wouldn't have become a pilot today if a man did not teach me. Yes? And similarly, for other women seafarers, we've all had mentors through our life. Although the number is very meager, we've had that support. And I'm not saying being feminist is equal to man hating. The men can be our feminists on our behalf, and they can talk on our behalf. So I want you to become a feminist very soon.
Okay, we will see. See, when I come on this, I have to be always honest. Change आएगा और धीरे धीरे आएगा. मैं यहाँ पर बैठ के कोई बड़े बड़े promises करूँ जिसमें कल को मैं खरा नहीं उतर पाऊँ.
सोच से स्टार्ट होता
मैं
है,
आपको बताता
घर
हूँ.
से स्टार्ट
जिस
होता
दिन
है.
हाँ जिस दिन मेरी वाइफ बोलेगी कि yes you are not a male chauvinistic, that is the day I'll start believing that. Till today, whenever she becomes angry, she says it. You are male chauvinist. She says that. So I believe that because जब तक वो घर वाले बोलेंगे कि नहीं ये बदल गया है, इसके अंदर चेंजेस आ गए हैं, तब तक मैं नहीं मानूंगा. So अगर मैं यहाँ पर बैठ के आपसे बड़े बड़े वादे कर दूँ और उसको पूरा ना करूँ, then it is not a leadership.
No,
You have to be
trust
authentic
me,
and
even
honest.
I have unconscious bias. You and I, we all have it. Just that we train our minds over the years. So it takes decades to come out
But
of a
होगा.
particular thought.
And that is
लेकिन
why
होता
making,
है.
but that is why
वो
making these
effort
videos.
से होता है.
Agreed.
Yeah, so each one of you should actually start taking the effort to come out of those biases.
ओके अभी ये इंटरव्यू हम बहुत ज़्यादा ले गए
कहीं और.
हैं फेमिनिज्म की तरफ और मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी की तरफ. लेट्स ब्रिंग इट टू द पॉइंट बैक अगेन.
Yeah.
सो अब आते हैं नारी शक्ति पुरस्कार के बारे में. उसकी क्या क्या जर्नी रही आपकी, ये कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ?
Again, newspapers.
जो लोग पहले बता दो, जो लोग नहीं जानते हैं, नारी शक्ति पुरस्कार मैम को प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया से अवार्ड मिला है. सो प्लीज बताइए.
Yeah, so Nari Shakti Puraskar is the highest civilian honor for women in the country. And it is chosen, I mean, the candidates are chosen by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and the Honorable President of India. He or she, they only give you the award, okay, at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. So, again, as I said, print media, newspaper ad में निकला था. And I saw that and I said, I had just become a pilot and I was still, you know, riding that wave where I was really happy that I got where I wanted. I got to, you know, actually live my dream to become a pilot. So at that time I saw this and I said, okay, maybe this award could help me in taking the message across to the, you know, the public, general public in the country, that this was a job offer they can consider. Girls can consider, and also to the men who did not know that this kind of a job existed. So I thought maybe this would give you the right kind of a platform for inspiring other girls, because trust me, I don't want to be the only pilot anymore.
Definitely.
I've had it. I mean, that riding the wave feeling is done. Now I really want other girls to join me, and I want more and more women pilots in India to show the other countries who don't have women seafarers at all. So I saw the ad and it said, okay, if you've done something to empower women in the country, we would like to accept nominations from you, please apply.
Okay.
So then I went to my boss, the immediate boss who was the harbour master then. So I told him, sir, I think I want to apply. So he said, ये सब मिलता है क्या? मतलब हम लोगों को जैसे मतलब आम आदमी को मिलता है क्या? So I said, sir, try तो करते हैं, nothing to lose. We can always try. At least we won't have that regret कि हम लोग try नहीं करी. So I said, sir, could you help me? So he said, yeah, I will give you the necessary, you know, paperwork help and all that. And there is a recommendation which is necessary also. So for me, being a government employee goes through proper channel. So all that happened and I applied. And then uske baad, some 1 month later or something, I get a call from somebody from the intelligence bureau. I was like, I was in the middle of something and I did not expect the call. I did not know this was procedure. So I suddenly, मैंने क्या कर दिया? मतलब WhatsApp forward कुछ गया तो उससे कुछ हुआ क्या? मतलब मैंने कुछ गलती कर दी? So I got this call from intelligence bureau and I'm like, sir, आपको क्या चाहिए sir? क्या करना है? So he said, no ma'am, you were one of the shortlisted candidates. I fell from the sky when he said shortlisted candidates. Because I did not expect this. I mean, when I applied also, I thought कि try करते हैं क्या है वो चांस ले लेते क्या हो जाएगा मतलब nothing to lose for me, let's try. But I never expected, trust me, कि कोई phone करे. So he said, you know, this is like the necessary checks from our side before you go any further. So I said, okay sir. तो तभी मेरे को थोड़ा सा glimmer of hope आया कि I was also one of the people who were considered for this award. So I was on, fell from the sky. I
Cloud
told
nine,
my
cloud
parents,
nine.
I was like, I told my cloud 999, 9 भी नहीं. So I told my entire family, I said somebody is coming home and then they will check and whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then another month later, I was again in my Harbour Master's office with my boss when I got a call and Truecaller में आता है ना, तो उसमें 011 का नंबर आया था and MD ministry कुछ लिखा था उसमें. So I was like, oh. Then immediately I said, sir, can you excuse me? I need to take this call. So तभी they called me and said, ma'am, congratulations, you've been chosen as one of the awardees. So again, I was like, he was the first one to know. Even before my family, my boss then, and then of course immediately.
And this happened. So how was it wearing that dress? कभी imagine नहीं करा और जब
Yeah.
president के पास जाके आपको
I
award
mean,
मिला?
there were, trust me, including institutions, organizations and individuals all told, there were 40 awardees that year. So 40 में से nobody was in uniform. I was the only one in uniform, and I was also the youngest in the entire group. There was one other lady from Rajasthan. We both were 31 at that time, and we were the only young people there. All the other women who were awardees there and the organizations, they had all been 45 plus when it comes to age, and they have all dedicated their entire lives, like decades of service to empower women. तो उनके बीच में खड़ा भी रहना, I thought
अपने आप
it
में
was
बहुत
like
बड़ी बात,
it was a big deal for me because there were women who were 60 plus. There was a lady in wheelchair. She was so old, and I was thinking कि, it's an honor to stand beside them and receive an award on par with them, because I never knew that they would even consider me. But वो award देते हुए, when president was just getting my award and giving me, trust me, I thought I would faint any time. It's such an overwhelming feeling. Number one. Number two of us. There was one more, Miss Seema Rao. She is a trainer for the commandos of the Indian Army. लोग बोलते हैं कि लेडीज कमांडोज भी होते हैं क्या आर्मी में, ये कमांडोज को ट्रेन करती है. And I was the only one in uniform and she was the other. Both of us got the most, the whole hall was echoing in the applause, because this was the highest applause in the whole thing. This was mentioned in one of the newspapers. So when that applause was going, I was so overwhelmed by that whole feeling of standing right next to right in front of Mr. Kovind ji, and I was like, ये सच है कि नहीं? I wanted to
ये
pinch
सच नहीं है,
myself,
ये
but
सच
हो नहीं
नहीं।
सकता. But I was so, although we had rehearsals, he was not there for the rehearsals. So when you actually go in front of that person, even I think today my salute was also very bad, because वो ना जाने कहाँ, मतलब my head was somewhere else. It was like walking inside heaven and coming back from there. But award देते हुए he said something to me, and that moment was the class moment of the day, or the moment of the day.
Okay.
Because he said, congratulations Reshma, you have cleared a forest for many others to come, for many others to follow. These were his exact words. So I immediately thought ki how he has already heard about me, he's read about me and come, and he's telling me this. And it is a true fact that I actually had to clear a forest for others to come. But now his words have to come through, and maybe the viewers, one of these viewers will come and make his words come
गाइज मैं कल एक बुक पढ़ा था, उसमें लिखा था मेक अ डेंट इन द यूनिवर्स. मैं कई बार ऐसे में इमोशनल, ऐसे सी नाउ आई एम गेटिंग अ बिट इमोशनल कि आई डू नॉट नो कि मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट आई वांट टू से नहीं
every day you are
वेरी वेल डन.
doing American
सी सपने बड़े देखो, उसको पूरा करने की कोशिश करो, मतलब कुछ ऐसा करो कि आसमान में छेद हो जाए यार, तभी तो मजा है जीवन में. तो जस्ट गो अहेड, फील इट, गो अहेड. अगर इन्होंने ऐसे सोचा नहीं होता कि मुझे कुछ अलग करना है तो होता नहीं. यस नसीब एक रोल प्ले करता है कि अखबार में आया, बट उसके ऊपर एग्जीक्यूशन करना एक अलग चीज़ रहती है. जब लोगों ने बोला तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तब तो डट के रहना कि नहीं, मैं करूँगी, मैं कर सकती हूँ. फिर मैरीटाइम पायलट बनना, फिर लोगों ने बोला नहीं हो पाएगा, फिर करना.
Not just the people who are students who are watching, even the parents and the to-be parents of tomorrow, they also need to be an ally for their younger ones, younger siblings, their children. When they dream big, don't tell them कि ये तुमसे हो नहीं पाएगा.
सिर्फ IIT नीट के चक्कर में जिंदगी की जय माता दी नहीं करनी चाहिए. ये मैं अपने आप को भी समझा रहा हूँ. मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं कि मुझे भी ऐसा नहीं करना है, और आप भी ऐसा मत कीजिए. बच्चे अगर सपने बड़े देखें तो बस करें, क्योंकि कौन कहाँ से किस तरह से रेशमा लोफर बन के निकल जाएगा पता नहीं चलेगा. वेल डन, वेल डन. ओके, सो अभी आते हैं अलग चीज़ के ऊपर, दैट इज फेलियर्स. सी दिस वीडियो इज इनकम्प्लीट इफ यू डोंट टॉक अबाउट योर फेलियर्स इन लाइफ. सक्सेस तो हैं, ये चल रही है, बट वास्तविकता से लोगों को रूबरू कराना बहुत जरूरी है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर 2 बिग फेलियर्स इन लाइफ.
So the first one was as a trainee pilot when I was here. As per the the procedure of training, during training, once you finish a certain stipulated time, you need to give your mates exams. So it's a specific port specific exam which MMD conducts. Just like any other candidate, we had to do mates exams except for the orals and the cargo work paper. So when I was giving that exam, I took more than 3 attempts to clear the exam. I think that was a big failure because I so wanted to be a pilot, but I did not do the preparatory work enough to become a pilot on the first attempt. So मेरे को 3 attempts से ज़्यादा लगे to clear those exams, and because of which I even lost my job for a short while. For 5 months I was jobless. I was out of the job. I was sacked, and then I joined back later after clearing those exams. So from my side, I think it's a big failure because a world can tell you that you can't do something, but only when you think you can't do something you cannot do it. वो फीलिंग ना सुन के मेरे को भी लगने लगा कि मैं वो क्लियर ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी वो एग्जाम. वो फियर से ना डर के मारे और भी ज़्यादा मेरे अटेम्प्ट्स लगे. इफ आई थॉट कि आई कुड डू इट, मे बी आई कुड हैव क्लियर्ड इट फास्टर एंड आई वुडंट हैव लॉस्ट दैट 1 year का टाइम व्हिच आई टुक टू क्लियर दोज एग्जाम्स.
और उसके चक्कर में आपको
it was also very embarrassing for me that I have lost my job because of my own fault, that I did not clear an exam, which is a it's a passing stride, it's a passing cloud for us. You just have to go above it for a short while. मेहनत करो तो वो हो जाती है, सबको हो रही है, why not you? तो सबको हो रहा था, मेरे नहीं हुआ, तो it is a failure. I consider it a big failure.
So guys, a award winner from president can also fail in life, so can you, so can me.
Absolutely.
Right? तो ये सुनने का मेरा भी हौसला बढ़ जाता है, मैं अभी और थोड़ा फेल हो सकता हूँ. Options हैं. Okay, next failure.
So see, we don't aim to fail, but during the journey of aiming for the stars, बीच में कहीं सन या मून या कुछ स्मॉलर कुछ हेवनली बॉडी, सन नहीं बोलने चाहिए बट मून और अ क्लाउड कैन स्टॉप यू, कैन पोज अ हर्डल फॉर यू, बट एम है स्टार तक, तो जाते रहिए तो हो जाएगा.
Second failure, ma'am.
Second failure was I had an accident when I fell from the ship. I was disembarking from the ladder, and due to bad weather, my timing got missed, and I fell on the pilot launch, and I injured myself pretty badly. This was in August 2020. So when I fell, and then I injured myself really bad. My ribs were injured. My spinal cord had sustained injuries. Also, I put my hand down, so my elbow was swollen. I had a hairline fracture on my
Shoulder.
ball joint in the shoulder. So when I was in pain at that time, and then when I was taken inside the launch and I had to return back to base, from the disembarking ground to the port, it was 1.5 hours ka ride in the pilot launch. So with the injuries and the pain, I thought that this was the end of my career. I even remember asking in the hospital to another colleague who was accompanying me. वो colleague दूर से कहीं आए थे and he accompanied me and took me to the hospital and all. 2 of them came. तो एक को मैं बार बार बोलती जा रही कि sir, is this the end of my career? That, I think, my friends, is a big failure from my side. I tell you, after the fall and after even recovering from the fall physically, mentally I hadn't recovered. There's something called a PTSD.
Post traumatic stress disorder.
Exactly.
जोर से बोलो जय माता दी.
Jai Mata Di. So, post-traumatic stress disorder was a problem for me because one is I was in pain for a long time and getting to the nearest ambulance took 1.5 hours. तो उस समय ना लोग सोचने लगते हैं कि क्या क्या हो सकता है, what is wrong with me, what have I injured, I don't know what I have done. I mean, can I ever climb another ladder again in my life? So I almost assumed पक्का कि this was the last ladder of my life. And to come out of it, I was not enough. We keep telling that you are enough. But at that moment, at that two months of bed rest I had and then joined back. तो वो 2 months में ना मैं कभी you are enough नहीं बोली थी खुद को. That is a failure from my side. I needed external help I took counseling sessions from somebody in the UK. They gave me excellent help to come out of this PTSD. Only then I could even imagine that I would get back to work. कि और एक लैडर मैं पकड़ सकती हूँ लाइफ में विदाउट हैविंग अ पैनिक अटैक और पैल्पिटेशन, वो मेरे लिए इम्पॉसिबल लग रहा था मेरे को।
रेशमा जी, मैं इसको फेलियर नहीं कहूँगा, आई एम सो सॉरी, रादर आई वुड से कि आपने और रिस्पेक्ट अपने लिए भी गेन करी और बाकी लोगों को बता के आपने बताया कि देखो जिंदगी में आप नीचे आओगे बट वापस उठना बहुत जरूरी
है।
है।
It is a learning for me. I will say maybe it's not a failure.
Yeah, because you came out of it. अगर आप उससे बाहर नहीं निकलती तो I would have called it a failure. एक बच्चा चलने की कोशिश करता है, गिरता है, फिर उठता है, गिरता है, फिर उठता है, लेकिन फिर चलना शुरू कर देता है। तो गिरने उठने फेलियर नहीं होता। You got up. You started running back again. So it's not a failure.
So touch wood today.
So ये एक ही फेलियर मान के चलेंगे एग्जाम में फेल। So जो लोग एग्जाम में फेल हो रहे हो गाइस, अभी मैं I just came from MERI कोलकाता के बाहर एक बच्चे मिले मुझे, सर क्लास 4 के लिए कुछ टिप्स दो ना। मैंने बोला पीछे रॉकेट लगाओ कि मुझे करना है। हर महीने की तनख्वाह जो तुम लूज कर रहे हो बिकॉज you're failing once, that is a lot of amount. Look at your parents. Just give a best shot.
Exactly.
दोस्ती निभाने का टाइम चला गया, अभी सिर्फ पढ़ाई करो।
For padai also there's another thing that lot of people now when they're doing their moving forward promotion ranks के exams, they say no, you know on board में होता नहीं है पढ़ाई, and then come back and then फिर studies में मन नहीं लगता, घर पे कितना ये है वो है। I'll tell you, it is not impossible to give 1 hour every day to touch your books.
Definitely.
Just 1 hour every day, and when you're on board, I will reduce that further to you. Don't even do 1 hour. Do half an hour studies.
मैम बहुत ज्यादा बोल दिया आपने।
Half an hour आप डेली करो, बुक टच किया, रिवाइज किया, trust me, I'm telling you, you will not be able to fail.
मैम इन सब चीजों में एक ही चीज वर्ड कर सम अप करता हूँ, that is
Consistency.
भूख। अगर भूख है तो कंसिस्टेंसी आएगी। भूख है कि मुझे करना है, मुझे पहले अटेम्प्ट में निकालना है, मुझे फेल नहीं होना है, बट हम वो कहीं ना कहीं भूख मिस करते हैं और टेंशन ज्यादा लेते हैं।
भूख मेरे अभी कम है इसलिए तो क्यों मैं ऑथर नहीं बन रही। That I am now pushing myself.
So ये कह सकते हैं कि अभी तक आपने स्टार्ट नहीं करी बुक लिखनी।
Exactly.
That is a failure.
That is a failure.
Procrastinating.
So I have to come forward.
Procrastinating what you want to do, that is a failure.
That is a big failure.
जय माता दी, ये निकला failure.
Yeah. So because I've been procrastinating about it for a very long time. My mother is a writer and she keeps telling me write this down, write this down. वो ना when a situation happens and you've come out of it, तभी जब लिखोगे ना, it will come out with a far more realistic and more powerful बन के आता है जब आप immediately लिखते हो। वो अगर आप procrastinate करके छोड़ दिया ना, that power
मैम एक घंटे के बाद वो फीलिंग नहीं मिलेगी आपको जो उस टाइम मिलेगी।
My mother keeps telling keep a diary and write it down then and there. At least if you're not writing a book immediately, at least later on when you go back to that diary, तब भी वो power आ जाएगा आपके words में,
वो याद आ जाएंगी चीजें। So, जब फेलियर्स की बात है रेशमा जी, ये वीडियो सिर्फ आपके फेलियर्स के बारे में नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने आपसे पूछा तो अपना तो एक बनाता, वैसे तो मैं पूरी अपनी लाइफ सीरीज निकाल रहा हूँ फेलियर्स के ऊपर, बट राइट नाउ माय फेलियर्स इज दैट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माय हेल्थ। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, आई एम नॉट गोइंग फॉर अ जॉग और अ रन और अ योगा एक्सरसाइज।
Oh boy, that is
माय ट्राइग्लिसराइड लेवल हैज गॉन अप राइट नाउ। अभी मेरी वाइफ वाज टेलिंग मी अरे तुम्हारे गाल फूलने लग गए हैं। सो दिस इज बैड गाइस। सो प्लीज हेल्थ इज इंपॉर्टेंट, ड्रीम्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, वेल्थ इज इंपॉर्टेंट, और जो इन्होंने पाया है वो मेरा सपना हो सकता है, आपका भी हो सकता है। कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, कीप स्ट्रगलिंग, एंड इन द कमेंट सेक्शन आई डेफिनेटली मेंशन hustle, be hustler.
Hustle will take you to greater heights than you even imagined. आपके ड्रीम से भी बाहर उसके भी फाड़ वाड़ के ले जाएगा ऊपर और भी।
और इन द कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर दूंगा, कमेंट्स में बताऊंगा कि आप मैरीटाइम पायलट कैसे बन सकते हैं, एक मैरीटाइम पायलट की कितनी सैलरी होती है और क्या क्या चैलेंजेस फेस होते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद, जय महाराज, जय माता दी। Thank you Reshma ji for being the inspiration that you are. Thank you very much.
And you are my inspiration. I have to say this because you do this series of events. मेरे लिए possible नहीं है. This consistency which you have shown with your videos.
Thank you.
That is, hats off to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
so
for
guys,
watching.
let's keep hustling. Let's keep moving ahead. Let's not give up. Just Jai Mata Di. Take care. Bye.